pretty Pinkie Pie. Hi everyone, welcome to my world of colors. Today I'm gonna color in my My Little Pony coloring page. Ta-da! This is a picture of Pinkie Pie. I hope you guys follow along with me, and you need something to do with markers and twinkle stickers. So I won't keep you any longer, so let's go to start it. Okay, so let's start on Pinkie Pie's face first. She has blue eyes. Let's color in her skin light pink. And let's make her hair hot pink. Okay, I'm finished coloring in Pinkie Pie. Next, let's color in her name up here. Okay, now I'm gonna color in the balloons blue, yellow, orange and green. Lastly, let's make the border light yellow. So I'm finished coloring Pinkie Pie. Next, let's decorate this picture with twinkle stickers. And I'm all finished. Wow, this picture turned out super gorgeous. I just love Pinkie Pie's adorable wavy hair. She is so beautiful pony. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have fun in my world of colors. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to get the newest fun video I make. I'm Harry P from World of Colors. Have a fun day and I will see you next time. Bye!